Welcome to day 27 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 26, please go back and watch them. It's so many things that we already went over. I want to make sure that you're on track. We have 75 days total. So it's no rush to think that you need to start right here. You actually need to start from the beginning because we already did so much by now. We have 75 days. You have time. So please go back and watch it. If you guys have not gotten your 3-book bundle, I do have them back in stock. Hopefully you will see that they are literally back in stock. If you see that orange shopping cart down there, then you'll see that they are actually in stock. So please make sure you all take full advantage while they are in stock, because I sold out of them to the point where I was unable to sell any more books, you all, for weeks. So make sure you guys take full advantage. So you're going to get this book in there. You're going to also have the Raise Your Credit Score 100 Points in 30 Days. Plus you're going to have that Sewing to Win book inside of that 3-book bundle that I have pinned, okay? So take full advantage of that. Now today we're going to talk about the difference between fixed auto loan rates and then also your credit card rates. I kind of talked to you guys about this yesterday for day 26. So we're going to just talk about it a little bit more for day 27. And the only thing I really have to say is just stay persistent. I have found, like, I had late payments on one of my auto loans before, and I have found that when I actually paid off the car and I no longer had because I was asking them for late payment removal, they just would not do it. But I was scared to ask the bureau to remove the late payment. But as soon as I paid off the car, I was like, you know what, let me just ask the bureau. As soon as I asked the bureau to remove it, they actually removed it from my they actually removed the late payments from my credit reports. But I don't know, is it just because I finally asked the bureau to remove it, I stopped being scared, or just because I had it paid off? But I already told y'all, send out them late payment goodwill letters that y'all was sending to the company. Send that out also to the credit bureaus, because they may actually just remove those late payments, but the company would never. Like, they would never remove the late payments. But I honestly didn't stay too persistent. I wasn't sending out every month. I was sending out 1 month, get discouraged, then 9 months later I'll try again. And I just think that if you guys send it out every single month, send it to different departments within the company, you guys will have a greater chance. And then make sure that you're sending it out to the credit bureaus too, okay? Because that's going to be a key thing. Now, we haven't talked much about your actual reflections, but after tomorrow we're going to actually have us a reflection where we're going to start reflecting. So y'all need to start taking these tips down. Make sure that you're writing these different things down, and then also let me know if there's any type of special tricks that you all have used to get your late payments removed. Some of you all have already went through like the Raise Your Credit Score 100 Points in 30 Days. I see that y'all message me results. I want y'all to actually make sure that y'all come back and leave comments on some of the videos, especially if it just come across your timeline too. In the future, y'all watching it now, but as they come across your timeline in the future, they try to get you to watch it again, please leave a comment saying, oh, this is what happened to me, this worked for me. Even if you don't watch the full video, just leave something positive down below, because it's going to help out a lot. But we have one more day, which is day 28, and then we're going to go into full reflection, okay? But tomorrow we're going to talk about what if it's not yours at all. Like this late payment, Kita, I know we talking about we begging. I don't need the beg because I really was not late. We're going to talk about that tomorrow, okay? And honestly, that is our last day that we're going to talk about these late payments. So make sure that you all try everything that you can with these late payments. Send it to the company, send it to the credit bureaus. But tomorrow we're going to talk about what if it was not yours for real, like it was not mine, okay? And then we're going to be out of these late payments. I'm so tired of these late payment videos. And if I'm being honest, like, literally create the letters, send them out to the credit bureaus, to the company. Don't play no games. Continue, just continue to send out the letters. Think about it. Like, remember I said you have to pick a day that you're going to check your credit reports, check your credit scores. So mine is on the 1st. So the 1st, I always check mine. On the 1st, I would just make it a habit too. Not only am I checking mine, I want to see if the late payments are removed. If not, I'm sending a late payment letter. Just make it a habit. Build it in with another habit that you already created, which I told y'all I want y'all to check y'all credit scores every month. But right now, we're checking them every single day, because y'all should be putting them down here at the bottom. So we checking them every single day, and hopefully y'all are on top of y'all weight part. We haven't been talking about that much, but I have been being consistent with the gym. I've been eating better. I can actually see my face kind of slimming out some but I can see my face slimming out some. I have been better on my water intake, so hopefully you guys are doing that part of it too. We haven't been talking about that at all, but that can be a key part. But create these habits now, and if you know that you have late payments, go ahead and attach that too. So I'll see you all for day 28. I forgot to tell y'all, if y'all have not done y'all 6 months of letters, y'all need to go ahead and do it, okay? All right, I just want to make sure I tell y'all that. See y'all for day 28.